Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hew. In today's video, we'll be looking at the construction of the Archimedean spiral. Now, in the previous video, we looked at the construction of a hypocycloid. Now, we aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online, and we thank you for joining us. We'll be starting the video now. We are required to draw the Archimedean spiral for one revolution based on the measurements below. So that's the first part. The second part, we're going to choose a point on the curve, that is the Archimedean spiral drawn in question 1 above. Then we're going to draw the normal and tangent to the point P. So below is the drawing that is accompanying the question. So we have the line AC, which is 70 millimeters long, and we have the point B, which is 20 millimeters to the right of A. So we'll be starting the drawing now. Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hew. In today's video, we're drawing the Archimedean spiral. So the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to set up our units. So we're going to type UN for shortcut, press enter. We're going to let the length type remain in decimal. We're going to change this to 0 decimal place. We're going to accept the millimeters and we're going to press OK. All right. All right, so we'll be drawing our Archimedean spiral, and the first thing we're going to do, we're going to draw a line. Our line will be 70 millimeters. So we type 70, enter. All right, so what we need now, we're going to label the center point right here. We're going to label it A. So we're going to turn off snap. I'm going to label right here A. So the height, we're going to make it 6 millimeters. Rotational angle 0. And we're going to label right here A. All right, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to label this point out here C. So I'm going to label here C. And based on the information that was given in the question, let us check our snap. We know it's already 10, that's the default, but we're going to check the snap. So snap is 10, good. Our grid should be 10, good. All right, so that is okay. So that means that the point B would be right here, all right? So we're going to go single line text, and we're going to, B would be right here. We need to turn off snap, and rotation angle would, the height would be 6, rotational angle would be 0, right here would be B. All right, good. All right, now the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna draw lines radiating out from A going right around. So the first one would be at 0 degrees. So we're gonna go line from A. We're gonna draw length of the line will be 70. And the angle would be 30. Enter. We're gonna repeat the line command, so press enter. All right, this line would be 70. And the angle would be 60. 70. And the angle would be 60 degrees. Enter. Now this one, the line will be vertical, all right? So we just click here and type 70, and that will be the line there, all right? We need another line coming this way. So the angle there would be 120 degrees. So the length of the line is 70. The angle is 120. I'm gonna come around, Enter to get the last command. We need a line 70 millimeters, and the angle is 150 degrees. So if you was using the traditional instruments, you could use your 36 set square and put it at A and just rotate it on the T square, and you will get these lines easily, all right? All right, this line would be 70, enter. Of course, there's a different way to do it, but I choose to do it this way, all right? So we need another line coming down, right? And the length of the line will be 70, and the angle would be 120. Good, enter. We need another line again coming down, so we go again, enter. Length of the line will be 70. Let me move up the drawing a little bit to center it so you can see clearly. All right, so the length of the line will be 70 and the angle will be 240 degrees. All right, enter. This one coming down would be vertical, okay? So we can go 70 millimeters, enter, enter. All right. Now this angle would be 300. So we come again. Here the length of the line will be 70 and the angle would be 300. Enter. Right? And to finish it, the last one will be this one. The length of the line will be 70 and the angle will be 330. Good. Now, as I said, there are different ways you could do this. I just choose to do it this way, okay? So there are different ways, all right? Good. Now, I'm gonna divide BC into 12 equal parts, all right? So I'm gonna turn on snap, and from B, I'm gonna draw a line, any angle, any length. Enter. All right. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna mark an arc. I'm gonna turn off snap for the time being. I'm gonna select B. I'm gonna move it right here. I'm gonna turn off object snap. I'm gonna put it right there. Good. All right, so we're gonna mark. So we need to turn on object snap. I'm gonna start with snap for the first one. So we're gonna go there. The radius, we're gonna turn off snap. The radius would be 5. That's the first one. Then the next one, start center in. Center start in there. The radius will be 5. Right? Come again. Center start end. This radius will be 5. Come again. Start center end. This point, this line radius will be 5. Come again. Center start end. This radius will be 5. This radius will be 5. Come again. Center start end. 5 millimeters. Come again. Center start end. 5 Center start end. 5. Center start end. 5. How many arcs we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I need 2 more. So come again. Center start in 5. And the last one. Center start in 5. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at the Archimedean spiral. In the next video, we'll be continuing the construction for the Archimedean spiral. We thank you for joining us and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share.